Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a brand new oil formulation that contains some ingredients, some oils that we've not ever talked about before, but that can provide some really great benefits for aging skin. And they are also perfect for people who have sensitive skin issues and aren't able to use things like essential oils. This particular product, Rapid Repair Remedy Oil by Dermalect, that's a brand that I have reviewed here on the channel before. Love their products, love their formulations. They have some very unique, targeted products that work on specific issues on the skin. And I always love targeted things because everybody's issues are a little bit different and everybody's skincare routine can be a little bit different. This is a lightweight oil that helps make fine lines and wrinkles invisible. It is super hydrating. It supports deep moisture retention and also helps improve your skin's natural barrier. And as I probably already said, formulated for all skin types, especially sensitive and extra dry skin. Now, some of the oils that are in this product are some that we've talked about at length on the channel before. Some of my favorites, like borage oil, which is a fatty acid rich moisturizer for your skin barrier. Argan oil, another one we talk about here on the channel all the time, super powered antioxidant oil. Linseed and safflower oils added to this formulation. They are light oils that are easily absorbed into the skin and help lock in moisture deeper in the surface layers of your skin. And also squalane and shea butter. So this is a very rich, hydrating oil. It's great for use after the shower. It's great as a slugging product where you apply this oil last in your skincare routine at night over your other products, especially if you're using products like retinoic acid or tretinoin. It truly does seal in moisture and provide a really radiant glow. But perhaps the most interesting ingredient that I have not talked about in this is cloudberry. And cloudberry is a very vitamin-rich, antioxidant potent oil. It actually is able to help reduce inflammation and redness while replenishing and protecting compromised skin. A few drops of this product can be used morning or night. Now, it's an oil, so when you pat that in your skin, you want to make sure that you're done applying any water-based products or topicals because oils will block those from being absorbed into the skin. So if you're using like a water-based vitamin C serum, that must go on first before any oil type of moisturizing product. Just pat that into the skin. It gets readily absorbed. And you can see the oil starting to work on my skin barrier. That's what you see, this little bit of redness that I have, which will fade to a pink glow. Gives you a lot of radiance without being sticky, slippery, or shiny. Now, of course, as always, I put a link down below in the video description box for this product if you want to go learn more about it. And should you decide to use this product, please come back to the video and let us all know in the comments below how it's working for you. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. As always, I super appreciate you guys tuning in, watching, and supporting my work. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.